Cardano to $5. Bitboy just revealed shockingly important news. Cardano news today. The trolling fudsters have been out in full force as the first applications are starting to go live on Cardano. The future is still looking bright for the ADA token, and there's a lot to be excited about. It's easy to forget that Cardano is unlike any other project in crypto, so even though the token prices have been going on ice in the short term, development has been heating up. Today we're going to talk all about what shocking facts Bitboy Crypto revealed about Cardano. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 8th of December, shall we? Cardano ADA price has been declining since mid-November, when its trend accelerated in the spillover from the Bitcoin flash crash. Now ADA price sees bulls returning to the scene as Cardano trades at an attractive discount. It's possible this may be a short-term reaction, however, as the downtrend is technically still in play, and buying volume will only pick up once bulls break above $1.67 to the upside. Cardano investors sidelined as downtrend still active. Cardano price has already lost 51% of its value since the high of November, when it reached $2.40. ADA would be expected to see quite some inflows from investors and buyers at the current price who may be looking to pick up some interesting cryptocurrencies at a discount. However, the uptick in buying volume is mild, as traders know that the downtrend in ADA is still very much alive, with the black descending trend line acting as a reference for that trend. ADA bulls will therefore be closely watching for any breaks and the behavior of price action around $1.67. Once through there, expect bulls to quickly face further resistance at $1.9, with the 200-day and 55-day simple moving average merging just above that level. So price action is facing some pretty hefty resistance. Should current tailwinds start to fade once again, expect a quick dip back below the red ascending trend line near $1.3 and a further correction towards $1. Now let's get back to the topic. The Cardano blockchain has some crazy action coming in Q4 2021, with the first set of dapps aiming to launch their products, and that means a few things for Cardano. Firstly, we're about to see a flood of activity on the blockchain, and that's usually positive for investors. Secondly, we'll be able to compare Cardano more accurately with other projects regarding transactions total value locked and DeFi activity. Thirdly, it's just fantastic to see this blockchain finally up and running and being used for trading yield farmland and more. We'll look at some key projects aiming to launch in Q4, plus the future outlook for Cardano and what it means for ADA's value, including what Charles Hoskinson says about the Basho scaling era, taking transactions from hundreds to hundreds of thousands per second. The first project is Occam X. Starting with Occam Finance and their new decentralized exchange called Occam X, those of us that follow Cardano will know about something called the concurrency issue. Essentially, because Cardano uses the same accounting system, more or less, as Bitcoin, called UTXO, but with a set of validators that sit on top that allow smart contracts, which Cardano calls Extended UTXO or EUTXO, it can create an issue where you may not be able to actually trade or swap more than once in each block. It isn't great for a decentralized exchange. In any case, this is something that developers on Cardano will have to understand and develop to create DEXs on the blockchain. Occam say they're confident that their DEX is ready to go with receipts, that they have a working solution for this and trade twice at the same time. The transactions indeed occur in the same block in the blockchain, as shown by using the Cardano Scan Cardano Explorer to verify. Occam is the first working solution to the concurrency issue, and stakes are obviously higher as whichever DEXs launch first may become a preferred option. And we see top DEXs on other chains like Uniswap and PancakeSwap valued in the multiple billions of dollars. Just like those platforms, Occam will have their DEX token built natively on the Cardano blockchain, which they'll call OCX. However, this is a different token than OCC. The Occam Finance token is already in circulation on Ethereum as an ERC20 token. The only way users can get hold of this token is by using the DEXs itself, so you'll get the token possibly as a reward, but also through staking some of your ADA in Occam's POC state pool rewards will be paid out in those OCX tokens. Occam has also partnered with Cody to use the upcoming DJED stablecoin on the new Occam DEX, so that investors can trade tokens easily against, basically a US dollar crypto version stablecoin. I'm sure that USDC and USDT will also make versions of their centralized stablecoins available on Cardano. Because why not? So it remains to be seen whether us end users will prefer to use something like USDC or prefer a different type of decentralized stablecoin like the DJED. The second project is SundaySwap. SundaySwap regularly updates investors as to their plans, and whilst they originally looked to launch their DEXs in October, this now isn't going to happen. With no official date still in the pipeline, of course everyone is excited to start using dapps on Cardano. But considering these dapps are launching for the first time, it's understandable how they run into issues with launch schedules. SundaySwapper has told followers on Twitter that their SundaySwap tokens will launch on their DEXs on the first day and their initial staple offering at the exact same time. This means that as soon as the DEX officially launches, you'll be able to use ADA tokens to swap for Sunday tokens on the platform, or at the same time, you could use your ADA to stake in one of SundaySwap's stake pools and earn rewards in Sunday's tokens. So that you can get in early as a SundaySwap token holder, the latest update from SundaySwap as of making this article is a great leap forward for the DEXs, as they say. They're creating a liquidity pool live on the Cardano blockchain and sign that transaction with Nami Wallet. Every DEX requires a pool of 2 tokens to create a token pair that other people can use to trade. Anyone can create a token pair or add their tokens to the pool to earn fees from traders. So, an excellent way to make passive income on tokens you have anyway. However, it does get a little complex. It seems like things are getting very close to reality for SundaySwap, who have their solution for Cardano's concurrency issues. Recently, the top projects on Cardano have been added to, with new drops like Claymates, Fortgotten, and the Yummy Universe, all pretty cool in my opinion, and the top of the leaderboard in terms of sales over the last few weeks. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!